If you eat 2 bananas per day for a month, these healthy benefits happens to your body. You might not know, but the banana is the #1 consumed food in the United States, even more commonly consumed than oranges and apples combined. Yet, every now and then, there is some new exotic fruit that is popularized as the newest health revolution, so we often underrate bananas. However, you should remember that bananas are extremely beneficial and offer various health benefits. Despite their delicious taste, bananas are rich in numerous nutrients, natural sugars, vitamins, and fibers. In the beginning, bananas are greenish in color and have no spots. But as they get riper, brown spots appear and cover the whole fruit. These spots do not mean that the bananas are rotten, but they actually indicate that these bananas are at the peak of their development, as they are richest in tumor necrosis factor (TNF). Then, TNF is a potent cancer-fighting substance which fights abnormal body cells. It helps the communication between the cells of the immune response system and guides the movement of the cells towards the infected and inflamed areas in the body. Studies have shown that the TNF in bananas prevents the growth and spread of tumor cells by inducing apoptosis, cell death. Therefore, if your bananas have brown spots, do not throw them away, as they are extremely healthy. Besides preventing cancer, bananas offer other numerous health benefits as follows. Treating constipation. Since bananas are rich in fiber, their consumption will stimulate regular bowel movements and relieve constipation. Helps to stop smoking. The nutrients like potassium, vitamins, and magnesium that are present in bananas take out the nicotine from the body. Overweight. Bananas together with skim milk is a very good combination to help reduce weight. Reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. Potassium in bananas maintains the body fluid and electrolyte balance in the cells and controls blood pressure, thus reduces the risk of heart attack and stroke. Good for blood. Vitamin B6 in bananas is useful in the hemoglobin and antibodies development in the blood. Healthy bones. Potassium present in bananas helps in reducing the risk of osteoporosis by reducing the calcium deficiency. Eyesight. Regular consumption of bananas or other fruits can prevent the muscular degeneration development, which is responsible for the loss of vision in most adults. Hangover. Banana milkshakes together with a little bit of honey is a very good remedy for hangovers. It soothes your tummy, together with milk it hydrates your system. Improve mood. An amino acid called tryptophan present in bananas helps in the serotonin production. Improve brain function and keep alertness. Potassium available in the banana helps in developing the brain function as well as keep alertness. Notice, our content is created to the best of our knowledge, yet it is of a general nature and cannot in any way substitute an individual consultation from a doctor. Your health is important to us.